Hi and welcome back to my channel. I would first like to apologize for having been silent for a couple of months, but yeah, I've been really busy and I've had a lot on my mind, so I didn't come down to making a new video. But now everything should be fine and we're back and we're going to make something today. Actually, it's almost snack time. It's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and I thought to myself, why not make puffed rice like we used to do when I was little. So I would like to show you how I do it, and if you have any recommendations or if you also used to eat it a lot when you were little, please let me know in the comments down below. As usual, the ingredients for your own convenience will be listed in the description box down below. So let's get started. So for our puffed rice, we will need 100 grams of puffed rice. I usually buy it already puffed. 150 grams of plain chocolate. I usually buy the one that you find in the baking section because I just think it melts better. 70 grams of butter. I'm using coconut butter. And 100 grams of caramel. Over a water bath, melt the chocolate and the butter. Make sure that the water does not boil completely. Now we add the caramel and melt it a bit more. Mix it well. It's quite sticky, as you can see. Now it's time to remove our chocolate mixture from the water bath. Let it cool down a bit, but it should not get hard. And then we mix it with the Rice Krispies or puffed rice. Now we mix the chocolate mixture with the rice. And we mix it with the help of a wooden spoon. We have to mix it thoroughly so that all the rice is evenly coated with chocolate. Now in a form that I used a normal glass form for baking, and I coated it with some aluminium foil. But you can use basically anything, just be sure to have it quite easily to remove the end product. And now, sorry, but I'm left-handed. We pour the mixture into the form, more or less evenly, and we press it down to try to remove as much air as possible. And now that it's nice and pressed, we wait until it's cold and the chocolate has solidified again. You can either put it outside if you live in a cold climate, or you can put it into the fridge. See you in a while. So an hour has passed and it's looking good, I think. I'm going to try to cut it now and hope it won't crumble on me, and well, then I hope I will be eating it. Wish me luck. So I take a normal knife. It's actually harder than I thought. Maybe I'm cutting the wrong thing. Well, I think it looks quite okay. What do you think? I'll get all chocolatey. Looks quite okay. It's not falling apart completely.
The puffed rice might be a bit gummy, but that's not my fault. But otherwise it's nice. So let's make a taste test with my husband. Hello. Hai, dozo. Do. Oji? Sorry. So I think this is it for today. I hope you enjoyed and learned something today, and I guess I'll see you next week. I hope to be able to make a video next week. I can't promise anything, but the plan is that. And thanks again for watching, and remember to subscribe if you liked the video and would like to have more of these videos, and see you again soon. Bye!